Okay, so on a Stratocaster or any guitar with a tremolo bridge, you may find that you have a funky little sound when you play. At the end there, do you hear a metallic kind of echo? Here's a pretty simple way to fix it. It's pretty straightforward and you don't need much. We'll start off by unscrewing this back plate so we can see the springs, like so. The springs are the things making this funky sound. For example, if I knock my guitar, so all we need to do is we need to have something just to stop the sound echoing. As you can see, this is the kind of sound we're hearing. So you can use pretty much anything which is pretty soft and it can just be stuffed in there. I've heard people using shipping foam, shipping peanuts. Some people like to put a cable or a rubber tube inside the spring. And I've even heard someone use a sock. They've just stuffed a sock in there. Personally, I'm going to use these little bits of foam here, which were actually made to go on a microphone on a headset. And I literally bought a pack of 10 for literally £1. That's like $1 and some cents in America. Obviously I only needed one, so I have 9 left over. So I got a couple. I'm just going to shove them right between the springs like so to absorb the noise. Now if I were to knock my guitar, no sound whatsoever. And it is as simple as that. Now it's just a case of putting the back plate back on and you're good to go.